Hi, thanks so much for tuning in. I really appreciate it. Welcome to my 5-part mini-series of British Indian restaurant style cooking. I've got hundreds of British Indian restaurant style recipes on the channel already, but today I'm going to be making veg Naga Madras, prawn Madras, sag tofu instead of paneer, chana and sweet potato masala, and a butter bean masala. So you can see that I'm cooking everything from scratch. These vegetables need parboiling, the onions need frying, the base gravy needs heating up. I'll put a link how to make that fantastic base gravy in the comments section, and to spare you so much going into the ins and outs of all the ingredients, I'll be just putting the ingredients for each dish in the description of each video. So let's get cooking.